हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज की वीडियो थोड़ी डिफरेंट होगी। ये वीडियो कोई मेरे चैनल से रिलेटेड नहीं है, बल्कि एक डिबेट कंपटीशन मैंने रखा है दो पार्टी के बीच। इसका सिंपल सा टॉपिक है कि इज सोशल मीडिया अ ब्लेसिंग और अ कर्स फॉर मैनकाइंड। सो इसी पे चर्चा करते हुए फॉर द मोशन के लिए लड़ेंगे ये।
Hey everyone, I'm Arnav.
Hi, I'm Shaini Shaha.
Hello guys, I am Ait Wajumdar.
Hello, I'm Tanushi Pandit.
एंड अगेंस्ट द मोशन के लिए लड़ेंगे ये।
Hi, this is Divya Jyoti.
Hello everyone, I am Moinak Dasgupta.
Hello everyone, I'm Anita Kaur.
I am Tanushree Haldar.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
So we will start our topic today, which is social media a blessing or a curse to mankind? So first we will present for the motion, who is Shani Shah. She will speak for the motion. So Shani Shah, you can begin.
Okay, thank you. Good evening, everyone. I'm Shaini Shaha, speaking for the motion that is social media is a blessing. The first recognizable social media site, Classmates, was created in 1995. And since then, we have seen innumerable social networking sites and blogs being developed, establishing itself as a powerful communication tool catering to more than 2 billion users worldwide. The primary utility of social media is connectivity, as we all know, enabling users to create and share content or to participate in social networking. People from any part of the world can connect with each other. So, divided by social norms, social media proves to be the one uniting the whole world. It gives each individual an equal platform to influence or be recognized. In India itself, there are over 462 million internet users, of which 200 million are active social media users. And out of them, over 72% of active social media users are actually students. Therefore, education is another sector that has been immensely benefited. And once the concept of online classes were introduced, students could educate themselves from anywhere, anytime. So thousands of online classes as well as degree courses are available now in the internet and the social medias too. Don't use social media to impress, use it to impact people. And to conclude it, I would like to say that social media has many benefits and is doing its part in development of a society. Thank you.
Okay, Shani, that was a great speech. Now we will move on to the other party, which is against the motion, that is social media is a curse.
Hello everyone. So today I am here on behalf of my team to speak against the motion that is how social media has taken a toll over us as well as our lifestyles. I agree that social media was once made to connect people who are staying far away, people who are not getting like-minded people in their environment, people to socialize and meet new people. I agree with it all. But guys, don't you think that now social media has brought up or shown the negative side of itself? Because you see, using the social media, we are so much addicted to our cell phones that the first thing you need when you wake up in the morning is your cell phone. You open it, you see if you have a WhatsApp text, you check the news for the day and just move out. We don't make a second thought about it. Not just about addiction, social media has different effects on us. It has put a psychological effect on us. You go through a post and you decide that this is what I want. I want the kind of lehenga worn by Deepika Padukone. We see the news and we finalize that this is what has happened. We go through our cell phones, the first notification that see, okay, this thing has happened. But do we try to find out if it's real or not? The recent cases have happened where people, like one post has decided the future of someone. This is all I wish to bring forward. Thank you.
It was a very good speech. End moment speech. Okay, now we will go for a second round where you can ask questions to each other. anyone can turn on the mic and just ask questions, whatever they want. Okay.
Okay. See, firstly, in this social networking world, where everybody wants to be there in some sort of freedom, as well as we can say that everything is nowadays related with applications, and whatever thing is there, it's completely based online. Offline world is long gone. There's always been a stride. There's always been a debate for the coming few years that whether these online platforms are worth it, all these social things are actually worth it. Why shouldn't we just leave all these things and just be out there like we used to be 20 years back and all these things? Technology must always be in a check. The growth has to be there in any form. It has to be in some sort of check. But regarding with the social platform that we can see, first point I want to raise is that there are different platforms in social networking applications as well. I just wanted to say that all are not bad. A few of them maybe there may be some debates on them, like Facebook or Instagram. Like opposition may also get some point out of that. But I just want to say that few applications have been there, like YouTube, Hangout, or even this application Zoom, which is actually been a blessing for a lot of people. Just related with education, it has really changed the complete map of this whole world. Entire social thing is a cause. We have to understand that without the social thing, we could not have been that much educated, or we can say so-called advanced, living in some remote places, or just not so much popular cities maybe. So I want to say that few of the applications may be there which we can point out that, hey, these things are not that great, because lots of things are happening nowadays, right? So, but few applications are there which have been a boon for people, and so that's what I wanted to say.
Divyajyoti, do you want to say something on this issue?
Yeah, I like to say social media, when you talk about an online platform, everything you can conclude into social media. Like every social online application is not like a social media, but social media is a part of online application. Like you can call like Zoom, Hangout. These are like video conferencing platform. Like you can look at the definition of social media. It's like a network where you discuss like the definition exactly. Let me look. I think it's somewhat.
It is a way to share ideas, some sort of that.
It's just a platform.
Social
It's not required.
a network of social. No, a dedicated website application which communicate each other by posting information, comment, messages, images. So it's, you can understand the fundamentals of the structure of Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, those, and you can consider as social media. Like you can think about WhatsApp. Like when there was no status option in WhatsApp, you couldn't call it as it as social media. When the status concept came, like the stories
your voice is connecting.
So before the status concept of feature came in WhatsApp,
that was just that was just a messaging platform, not a social media. But as we have now message status concept, the stories in WhatsApp, you can now include WhatsApp also as a social media. So that is one point I want to.
Through social media, we can access different nation peoples, including our relatives and all peoples, or attend some important conferences and meetings. One of the biggest advantage, which lays money.
Okay, I want to say one thing about the social media. What Arnab said, like it was correct, like there are benefits, but if you look at the ratio, the disadvantages are more. Social media, there are various types of social media. Like the major one, which we only always think social media, that is Facebook, Google, like the Twitter, and what you can say, those kind of thing where you can comment, post, share, likes, like with that is called the networking social media. There are other type of social media that is there, that is actually beneficial, and that kind of social media existed before this one which is popular. That is, you can say the discussion forum like 4chan, Reddit, Quora, where you can get valuable information. Like even Stack Exchange also, you can kind of consider social media, but for like tech information. If you see that kind of social media, there are moderators who like they have a quality check kind of. You can't just post anything randomly, fake news. Like that's why things in those forum kind of concept is always like quality things. But when you say the networking model, like in Facebook model of social media, when there is no control and like whatever you can do, like it's like a floodgate, which is the one which the teenagers which majority are addicted to, and this is the problem with the social media. The first category I'm talking about, networking model.
Okay,
That's
anybody wants
and
to
what
say?
do you
Okay. Yeah, I want to speak on this. We all know everything is in the developing stage all the time. So settings are coming up. The problems which everyone is facing is being tackled. So I don't think that this will remain a problem forever.
So I have a question regarding the users of social media or what we actually face every day. The fact is quite realistic. Actually, we used to see these things, but we are quite in this fact. Okay. The thing is, while using social media, we came to see that various unnecessary or illegal comments coming through a girl's profile, not particular to a girl, it may be a boy also, which is actually a virtual harassment. So
Yes.
I can put this question that what is the utility, or you can say what is the performance of social media which actually leading to a virtual harassment to a girl or to a boy, or particularly not to a girl or a boy, to a particular domain of people, such like a TikTok that Kariminati gave. It's a comedy content, but actually the memes or whatever you can say of some group of people is targeting the TikTokers in a different way. So they are using the social media in such a way that they are particularly affecting a domain of people. So I just want to put this question.
तो मतलब कैरी मिनाटी ने एक स्टेटमेंट दिया, उसके कंटेंट के अनुसार उसने रोस्ट कर दिया, एंड उसके चलते पीपल आर नाउ अब्यूजिंग द टिकटॉकर्स, राइट?
Exactly, and
তো সোশ্যাল মিডিয়াতে এখন হচ্ছে প্রাইভেসি সেটিংস বলে অনেক অপশন আছে। তো সেখানে হচ্ছে প্রাইভেসি সেটিংস পাবলিক না করে অনলি ফর প্রাইভেট করে রাখলে তো হয়ে যায় না। সেখানে সেখানে মানুষ সেখানে সেই সেই জায়গার পার্টিকুলার জায়গাটা অ্যাওয়ারনেস না।
No, what I am asking, see, you cannot always
actually
go.
the thing is, yeah.
Yeah, go on.
Actually, the thing is that so in social media, we are the main use of social media is getting social with everyone. The main motive is to getting connected with everyone.
Correct.
A unknown girl or any person, how can she judge that a boy or someone else is going to hurt him mentally? No, that's not the fact. But the thing is like that. I'm not telling that boys are only hurting the girls also hurting the boys. At the same time, a group of people also hurting a particular group of people.
Yes.
So this is not the exact use of social media. So social media is affecting this thing in a very easy way. That's it.
I want to ask you,
I
like, can you name an exact platform which you are referring to? Exact platform.
No,
Like the
actually the discussion is not about the platform. Actually the discussion is about the applications or the uses of social media. So I'm conducting the whole thing on the basis of social media only. Yeah.
Firstly, I want to say is that before entering that part, I want to say something more on my insights, what I think, then I'll come to that part. Look, firstly, what I think is that the whole thing, whenever this kind of incidents happen, any anti-national incidents or any harassment incidents regarding girls or anything, right? So what I want to say is that first of all, I can say that few things can be controlled by our own self. Like if you don't follow some strangers in Facebook, especially for girls, if a person like stops for the sake of popularity, if you stop accepting requests from some unknown guys, like normally the boys are the ones who actually give the requests and tend to follow the girls, right? So there have been options of blockage and all those things already in social media. It's been there, unsubscribing or unfollowing or blocking the thing, right? Now it's up to a person how he or she wants to utilize the Instagram or even Facebook. So for that, certain precautions can be taken. And apart from as Mainaki was saying, that the application part where we should be like these things are there. Like how can we stop it, and why these things are happening is that there will be some disturbing and mischievous people in the society. Look, even in real society, we are having in our padas 1 or 2 people who will gather and talk about few people, right? Now, what we can do is that I think so from here on, from next 5, from the amount of advancement in various technologies like artificial intelligence and all this stuff, I can't guarantee, but I see an insight. I can see a vision that these things will be stopped by parsing. Some parsers will be there in every servers which will parse all this, process all these things, right? Like Quora and all these things. If you post some abusive things and all these things, they will completely delete the thing, right? So I think if Facebook and all these things also, as the technology will be growing, the checks and the stops will be there.
As you said, there are options for girls like blocking, privacy settings, right? Now, in the recent events, that boys locker room, that kind of stuff, there was a boy named Manav. He was a part of that group, but he was not involved in those kind of things.
Okay.
After the act got viral,
Yeah.
instead of looking or digging into the what happened actually, his name came out and he was being harassed. He was getting threatened, death threatened, and without thinking the consequences, he did the suicide. If you know what I mean. So social media में यही होता है
I
ना.
know.
Sudden bad things get pop up. It goes so viral that even your privacy settings will not do anything. So in this kind of case, anybody can be targeted. In case of fake molestation, in case of anything fake, they can be harassed to very great extent. What is your views on this?
Look, whatever I'm saying is not based on experience right now, because I don't think anyone in this panel has experienced such thing. So I'm just giving an insight on what I think and what I've seen and what I think I will do if I hypothetically I'm in those kind of situations, because only that way I can explain it, because I don't have any experience regarded with that situations, right? So firstly, I want to say is that it's all in the mindset. If you have the correct mindset, you will firstly understand what kind of problem it is, because it's a shocking thing which you have never experienced before. If anything happens, like
it just
get,
right? It just happened, Manav. So he
yeah.
already.
For example, it happens to me. No. For example, it happens to me. I take it on myself. Okay, I'm trying to create a hypothetical situation right now. Okay, it happens to me. I don't know what to do because such situation has never happened in my life before, and these things I did not hear anyone else also happening. So I am in a very unknown state right now. I don't know what to do because I don't have the experience of someone others that I can apply right now. So what I think right now I'll do is that since it's a very private thing, I will not go and consult my parents. First, I will take a friend or a cousin at best, wherever he is, whom I can trust. I'll take him and go to the police right now. That's the best I will do. And after that, I think I'll refer to the cybers. Like if I'm innocent, like in this case, I was innocent, right? Like in this case, I'm innocent. So I know that I have not done anything wrong. So right now, so I don't have any nude photos or anything like that, right? So there's nothing to worry about. That's my mindset. That's what my mindset says.
Okay, so this is one good point.
Okay, the thing is, social media is a place we came to know that social media is a place where we came to know that there is a easy chance of getting fake people. Okay.
Easy chance.
The thing is, once upon a time when Facebook has given that getting a fake people.
Okay.
Once upon a time, there was a time when Facebook has given that there is a 16 years age limit to join Facebook, but now it's not there. Or even in Instagram also, there is nothing called age limit to join. If you have an email ID, just join there. Okay. So something like this where anyone can join with any identity doesn't mean which gives you a proper real view about a person. As my opposition has said that in every society there is some bad people, many mischievous people. So we came to know about them and we just try to avoid them. We make ourselves safe so that we don't interact with them and keep ourselves in a good side. But the fact is, when we are meeting a bunch of people and we don't know which people is wearing which marks, the thing is very important, because I am looking someone having a good profile and behind the profile is someone whom I don't want to watch. The thing is like this, a point where fake people are surrounded with real masses. So I think social media is a place where these things got a tremendous view, and news came in the side that the accounts of the boys locker room is actually some of our girls who are making a boys account and creating a character. So just a girl is making a boys account, doing such things, rumors about girls, all things are messed up with fake identities and things. So I don't think it's a safe way to have social media.
Whenever we create any email ID, we can. When I first created my email ID, we were not allowed to. We had to be 18 and above for some things, right? So everybody makes their age fake in the email ID itself. So no one will actually get a check in social networking. Like if you want to join Facebook, they will ask for email ID, right? So I don't think there is any requirement for age at all, because in email ID everybody will fraud himself, right? Any small kid also can do that. So now coming to what he told about the whole thing. Like one rotten apple can spoil the whole thing, right? See, firstly, these things is being checked right now, because there are happening these analyses are occurring, like what happening in several regions, right? Like if there is some bomb dropping in some places, then that entire area's network goes for 2-3 days. These are some protocols that are followed, right? And the Indian government is slowly making more severe punishment for those who are trying to make some sensitive matter break into the public and make some huge issue out of that. As we can clearly see in this corona era, we have been seeing some fake news, and out of a sudden, a huge burst of people is coming up. The government has started to open their eyes, I think so, because I am seeing some strict rules will be framed, especially after this corona era. Now coming back to the social networking, look, these things will not be stopped, because there will be some mischievous people. So it's important to view how can we check the whole thing down. Like I can see some these platforms like Facebook and Instagram and all these things, they will do much more severe parsing, like Quora does or some other people does. Like this all depends on infrastructure also. If we have huge servers, like many servers which will only take few small areas, then those few small areas data can be stored in that server and can be parsed by that one server. So huge amount of data can be broken into small chunks, and every server can take every data and process it, and accordingly those filtered data only can be passed into the internet. So what can be done is, like, one idea we can say, if something is really sensitive, especially the post, but Facebook can do that. If you post something in Facebook, they will say you, hold on, I will post your after half an hour, after a routine check, after following some protocols. So I'm seeing this kind of things that will be coming in the near future, because if these things will go on, then I think some check will also come in.
Yeah, this is a good point. This precaution should be taken by Facebook. I agree. Okay, one question I would like to ask to the Curse team, that as you said that due to social media, many people are getting bad influence, but at the same time, many poor people are getting recognized. For example, Ranu Mandal, she was a beggar, I think, but because of the influence of social media, now she became so much influence. Another example is the Zomato guy. The delivery guy, man, nobody knew that guy. Did you know that guy? Nobody knew that. They have no recognition. But with the help of social media, we are able to recognize such incredible personalities. Correct, isn't it?
Yes, the Ranu Mandal case, you can see it was a benefit, but it's not like
Ranu
some
Mandal,
benefits can point out.
There are many other cases.
Yeah, but you can just take Ranu Mandal case only. Like, she got famous for social media, but she even got roasted for the social media. Some people, it was viral for both sides also. It was not like only one-sided thing, if you remember.
And what about those who are spreading good messages in social media, showing that we should be aware of coronavirus, spreading the videos and post about coronavirus? Would have been that possible without social media?
No, that is some additional benefit we are getting for the social media, you can say. But remember, like, every message we get, let's consider one corona case only. Like, if a scientist says something, we can believe. But when some random people post something, you shouldn't just believe, because it can be a fake message and it's not scientifically proven. This is a very big problem with mostly with the WhatsApp forwards, you know. And you have seen in coronavirus, like, lots of fake, like, not unverified unscientific reasons people forward, this method will work, or like this thing. So that is also a problem. Like Arnab said about the filtration using algorithm, like that is a very good concept. That concept is actually already implemented. There is two YouTube, you know, there is YouTube and YouTube for kids, I think, you know. But when you open YouTube for kids, all the adult contents, like not safe for kid contents, are not there, and that is not done like manual tagging. That is all algorithm based. But I think last year or so, I read some article, like there are a lot of leakage happened. Like leakage, I mean, like, lot of not safe for kid videos were appearing in the kid videos. Solely depend on an algorithm. Algorithms will be always faulty, because algorithms are designed by human beings, and there will be always a bug. So it's not like a sure shot, like a 100% option, but that is an option, but not a pure option we can rely on.
What we can do is that focus emphasis on the technology which is built on top of that media, right, on that platform. We check some servers, some parsers, which will actually keep on filtering, parsing the thing. Emphasis should be on those filters. If you can focus on the filters, economy will be in its place. But the filter will make sure the right and the things are under check. Like these things will never be stopped, but it can be checked.
I just wanted to say that to the opposite thing, they have pointed many things and they have good points actually. So I wanted to ask them if they have any alternate option. If not, if we stop, we should stop using social media or we should go for something.
ओके सो तुम आप पूछ रहे हैं कि सोशल मीडिया बंद कर देना चाहिए, उसके अलावा कोई अदर ऑप्शन है कि नहीं?
I have option, yeah.
Okay, opposition party, is there any other alternatives for social media to communicate?
Yeah, as I said already, there are different models of social media, like the discussion forums. Those are nice, and like if you don't consider Facebook and Twitter and all these big platforms, other platforms are nice. Like they're not addictive. And the main problem, what I said about economics, is like you have to consider about economics, because these companies are for profit. Their motto is to make as much money as possible, and for that they're desperate to do anything they want. So that is a very big problem. And the addiction is not like, and the addiction and everything we have, the problem is because they want us to be engaged in the applications. So because they care about the money thing.
No,
that's the problem.
Can we switch to something other than social media for communication?
Yeah, actually the thing that we are facing today is why we are debating on social media, the disadvantages. The thing is, the social media platform is used by a huge diversity of people. Okay.
Yes.
The utility of the exact aim for making a social media, it may be anything. The aim of Facebook is something else, the aim of LinkedIn is something else.
Yes.
But the thing is, huge diversity of people is using all these platforms. Hence the thing happen is they are used in a bad process as well as a good process. So it might be done in some days. I think it should be done that particular social media or particular application should be used for a particular purpose. Suppose in GitHub you shouldn't post something of your family, or in LinkedIn you shouldn't post one picture of your girlfriend. So you should use that particular thing for the particular purpose. I think in office also, a particular department is responsible for a particular work. Not the full department is responsible for doing all the works. Hence the problem arises, I think so.
Okay. Do you have any questions for do you have any questions, Menak, you want to ask them?
Like, so as host has already mentioned one thing few minutes ago, as a Ranu Mondal case or something, very small people are get recognized by social media also. And in this COVID-19 situation, many helpful videos, can say, many awareness things are getting viral in social media, which is all right, it's very good. But the main fact is, in social media, you will get to know one thing, that if suppose you take this hypothetical situation, if I am sharing a message where I have written, stop using Cipla medicines. You know, Cipla is a company producing high amount of breathing medicines, breathing problems. So those people having breathing problems, they use Cipla medicines, many. If I spread this message that stop using this medicine, I can assure you that those people need this type of medicine. They will at least think once before buying this. Like me, if 10 people spread this message, we will nearly reach up to 10,000 people.
It comes to the person, the individual again. Yeah. So it's like they have to think. People are not puppet. They should also be concerned of themselves. So they should go for the research work first and then come to a conclusion instead of randomly forwarding.
How many of the people, like suppose there are few channels and few pages जहाँ पे कुछ भी post हो जाता है. Today is the
let me conclude one thing first.
The post कुछ भी हो सकता है because we don't have that control over it.
Okay, Menak, go on. What are you saying?
Yeah. Actually, the thing is, social media is that platform where people are using there for personal benefit. Actually, if I want to destroy someone's image, then social media will be the best one. I cannot go to a newspaper and please print this message that Cipla is a bad medicine company. But social media is the best way where I can just randomly say, and even I can do one thing, that this is published by scientists. I can write this and no one going to accuse me. And I can randomly post this thing. What will happen? Someone will report me why you are saying this, but the main thing is this will be forwarded, and this all is a chain process. Once it gets forwarded, it will reach the maximum number of people.
Even if 1% of people say कि ये गलत है, 99 people will believe you. Correct?
Exactly, and you know that our country is that country where majority people are illiterate, and we come from that country where majority people are poor.
Yes, yes.
Various people are below poverty line, so they don't even know what to say. If I write the name given by doctors, then they will say that it is 100% true. So there
Okay,
are no
very,
options.
very good point.
Only few people are educated.
Actually, the problem is because in human psychology, there is a problem when we get any negative comments or things, we start to believe much faster than positive things.
দেখো সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া তৈরি হয়েছিল যে আমাদের কানেক্টিং পিপল মানুষের সঙ্গে ইন্টারঅ্যাক্ট করার জন্য, ঠিক আছে, আদার্সদের সঙ্গে। তো আমি একটা কথা বলি যে এখন যদি আমাদের যে মানে চাকুটা ইনভেন্ট করেছিল, সে জিনিস কাটার জন্য তৈরি করেছিল, নট ফর দ্য মার্ডার।
Yeah, correct. Very, very good
তো
point.
সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া কি করে আহ, তো সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া হচ্ছে ভালোর জন্য তৈরি করা হয়েছিল, নট ফর একে এসে ফেক নিউজের তোকে মলেস্টেট করবে।
तो नाइफ इन्वेंट हुआ था, चाकू, वो बस एक किचन इक्विपमेंट के लिए इन्वेंट हुआ था, सब्जी फल काटने के लिए, लेकिन जो इंसान हुआ है उसको हथियार की तरह यूज किया। तो ये गलती चाकू का नहीं, इंसान का है। तो अरित ये बोलना चाहता है कि सोशल मीडिया गुड गुड चीज के लिए इन्वेंट हुआ था, कम्युनिकेशन के लिए। अब पीपल उसको फेक रूमर्स के लिए भेज रही है, सोशल मीडिया की गलती नहीं है, पीपल की गलती है।
Okay, like Audit told na, like an example of night na. So in social media, things is quite different. Like if we take the example of Facebook, firstly ये कोई गुड काम या फिर गुड वर्क के लिए इन्वेंट नहीं हुआ था। लाइक मार्क जुकरबर्ग एट फर्स्ट कि उसका कॉलेज का कुछ मतलब ये डेटा शेयर किया था, एंड बाद में भी जो फेसबुक यूज किया था, क्रिएट किया था, उसमें भी कुछ गलत काम के लिए किया था। एंड आफ्टर दैट कि मतलब वो एक बिजनेस मॉडल एंड ऑल दिस, मतलब ऐसे कुछ वो ग्रो किया। आफ्टर दैट कुछ अभी वो सोशल मीडिया के नाम पे है, यूज हो रहा है बहुत सारे मतलब पीपल के थ्रू। बट
तो यूट्यूब के बारे में क्या और की मतामत यूट्यूब?
हाँ, व्हाट अबाउट यूट्यूब? तो
लाइक ओके, यूट्यूब इज अ गुड प्लेटफॉर्म, बट यूट्यूब में भी कुछ चीज होता है लाइक जो कुछ यूज का नहीं है ना। लाइक कुछ मतलब गलत कंटेंट रहता है, एंड इन यूट्यूब वी कैन सी दैट यूट्यूब का।
Yeah, Shiny, what were you saying? Shiny?
In YouTube there are settings and anyone can report them. These features are always like they have been available since a long time now.
But
report and like blocking and
I have one question for Shiny and those for the motion. अभी कुछ दिनों से सोशल मीडिया में अगर गलत काम हो रहा है, वो इतने भारी मात्रा में जो हो रहा है, रिव्यू तक पॉसिबल नहीं हो पा रहा है। तो जो अगर अच्छे काम के लिए अगर ये बना हो, अब उसका प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन ऐसा है कि सोशल मीडिया में हर चीज अब गलती हो रहा है, तो इस केस में आप क्या बोलेंगे?
Yeah, look, firstly, no, it's not for bad things, but a lot of bad things are happening too much frequently now, like before.
So
we can say that frequency has increased.
What can we do in this?
We cannot stop the economy. No one will stop the economy, so you should not even think on that zone. Like stop the ads, stop
But
these
we
things.
can
Like
definitely
people are saying,
restrict it, right?
We only like we can control it. Okay. See, first checking. Firstly, I'm talking about few contents. Okay. Somebody is seeing, if some child is seeing some inappropriate content, that is a problem. If an adult who wants to study something and something inappropriate comes, that is not a problem. He will scroll it down and he will do all the settings required, right? So inappropriate content is not the problem, like some adult things. But to which people and which section of people you are giving it, that's the problem. So accordingly, each problem, like those social things, in like those sensitive social things which have been occurring as fake news, those are critical problems, right? Those problems have to be laid aside, and we have to think on the technological aspect. That's the only solution I can see as from my side. I don't see any solution from economy side. Like you want to stop things, if you stop the thing, they will, some other platform will show it and gain the popularity. So there is no point in like focusing on the economy thing. Why she went viral or she went famous? Let them be famous. That is not an issue. Issue is anything that will affect the society or any child watching some inappropriate content. Like suddenly these things are issues. Like if people get famous for some reasons, or in LinkedIn someone is posting their photos with, and boyfriend, that is not an issue. The society, the people who are visiting those people, they will know the things. So the appropriate issues can be dealt. What do you think? Why YouTube gained popularity?
Like YouTube, all who are in for the motion, all are telling ki there are some setting like privacy and all those things you can block, blah blah blah. But what happened? YouTube or in any other social media platform, there are some option, but still, if we search something bad content, they still arrive na. If they are a setting but they are not active, like if they should be active setting na, like if
there is age restriction feature. You cannot view the video without age restriction. If you're above 18, if you're below 18, you cannot view that. And in order to verify yourself above 18, you have to register your YouTube with email address. So if you have given the wrong age in email address, that is your fault. That is not the fault of social media.
What he want to conclude, like it is always the blame of the user, but I think there is an interesting fine line between the where the blame we should give to the user or the creator. Like creator means the Facebook creator and all. There is a fine line. If the problem is the user, but the another part I'm saying about now the Facebook problem, the addiction part. Why you can't blame the user? Like usually people say like user must control. Yes, there is self-control, but the thing is, there is a recently one guy called Tristan Harris. He was an ethical engineer from Google. He resigned from the company 2 to 3 years back only just because of this problem, because his actual works for the ethics for the company and he didn't like, and he started a new company like startup for movement, so to help people to remove the addiction from the, and what he revealed, there is a new recruitment in these companies like Google and Facebook. It is called attention engineer, and those engineers are usually like people who used to work in casinos, and their work is to make how the product can be more addictive. Do you ever get addicted to Ola, Uber or LinkedIn app? No. We get addicted to WhatsApp, Facebook. Why? Because the design is such that you will get addicted. That red button notification that you have won, like every like the notification design is somehow like every time you want to open the app. Only blame the users.
Social media's fault. Those who are attracting the humans, right?
Yes, the addiction part.
Addiction. They're making the humans addict. Okay.
It is done by intentional, because it's the attention engineer. Why someone need the attention engineer?
He says it is not the fault of the user. It is the fault of the social media, which is making the users addict to it.
Social media has some, I know these things are there, like a few things, new cool features will come in social media and the user will really like it and they get habituated and this habit starts to prevail, right? Like he's trying to say. But why do you want to, I just wanted to know that I think we are discussing right now about social insensitive impacts that that social media is having on society, right? Like if you want to open something for seeing notification, what's the problem with that? I don't see any problem with that.
Okay, I have a problem in that. That is when you get so much engaged in social in virtual socialing, that मतलब virtually आप दोस्त बनाना चाहते हो कि आप खुद का family भूल जाते हो. Literally. Students, right now the children are so much into social media, they hardly spend any time with their family, they hardly converse to their mother, father, they share everything with their friends, they don't share everything with mother and father. So this
is I have also want to say one thing here.
And because hello, hello,
yeah, Tanushree, we can hear you, go on.
like আমি যেটা বলছিলাম লাইক অ্যাডিকশনের জন্য লাইক চিলড্রেন্স অ্যান্ড লাইক ইয়াংস্টাররা ফ্যামিলি থেকে দূরে হচ্ছে অ্যান্ড এটা তাদের মেন্টাল অ্যান্ড ফিজিক্যাল অ্যান্ড বোথকে হ্যাম্পার করছে লাইক অ্যান্ড এটার জন্য লাইক উই ক্যান সি কি যারা বেশি পরিমাণ সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া ইউজ করে তারা বেশি পরিমাণ ডিপ্রেশন অ্যাংজাইটি অ্যান্ড দেয়ার মোর মতলব তারা প্রচন্ড পরিমাণে রুড অ্যান্ড তারা রিয়াকশন তাড়াতাড়ি নিজেদের কন্ট্রোল করতে পারে না and they suffer from all those things also na like right now
addiction part I would like to say one point. Just want to add one point.
Okay, add Mainak.
Yeah, the thing is the students are actually the young stars are more very much addicted to social media. Okay, the main fact is distraction. So I obviously agree that YouTube has very much important tutorial contents or important contents which doesn't get books or something which we even we don't have a guide, we used to take guides from YouTube, and this is a very important factor of YouTube. But the thing is, there is important opportunity of getting distracted for the students and the youngster, and the reason is that this is so much attractive to the students, and once you get attracted, you will be highly attracted to this thing. Coming back to the older days, many of our opposition might say that we also get attracted when we are kids because we used to play games. But the thing is, getting attracted to playing games in real life doesn't harm our life. It's actually gives us a physical movement, and it's actually healthy for our life.
Like one example, just everyone have used WhatsApp. Do you remember how much time did you use WhatsApp before the status concept, and how much time you are using now after the status? Just you can look at
Simple
yourself.
tally. Yes,
Exactly.
Like if it is only the user's fault. And just one more thing, do you just 24/7 look open the LinkedIn app and just look, oh LinkedIn, oh it's so like so much interesting thing. How much time do you spend in LinkedIn? How much time do you spend in WhatsApp or like the social media? Both are social media, but
yes.
the design is
Actually,
different.
Actually, many of the oppositions might say that it is a mindset of the users, but the fact is, every human mindset has been attracted and it can be changed by psychologically, and most of the things are done by the virtual world.
Okay, Shiny, Tanushri, Arit, Arnab, say something on this.
Okay, look, firstly I want to say is that yes, it is true. Firstly, if I was the one who was suppose you can say I design a social media app, right? So what I will think is that how can I engage people so that I can earn more revenue? So I'll do any possible thing that will attract people
Yes.
to my applications and do whatever I can, right? I will not see too much good and wrong. It's just that the good things has to be little more than the bad things. That's what happens. Because I will not be compromising economy for revenue and the profit making, right? So firstly, we can say that like Mainak was saying something about games, right? Online gaming, as I could
Online,
recollect
so
from
much
these
time
words,
in
right?
online platforms.
Yeah, look, that is all one word, addictism, right? A person is getting addicted to things, right? And
Exactly.
a person and the software people's
And the main reason for distraction.
yeah, distraction also. Yeah, I was about to tell that also. Look, firstly, I will give you one scenario. Okay, if it is not good enough, then I will go for something else. Like my like our older generations, as we all know, our parents when they were in this whole web concept was not at all there in India, right? They used to watch televisions. If they have to study something, if they don't understand anything from the class or college, they used to take some guidebooks from college Pada or somewhere else, right? Online deliveries also used to not be there in that generation. So we have parents of that generations, okay, and we are the peoples of these generations. So there is something called this gap, right?
Yeah,
So
yes,
these
yes.
people,
Generation.
they're not there. They will not be understand to how to actually guide us. Like what we think, I don't think they think in that way. After social media will addict us in this way. This status concept, this online gaming concept, it is not healthy for us. Like gaming is not bad, right? Like we should limit ourselves for gaming. There will be few concepts more. These modernist peoples, when they will have the next generations, they will be in a better position to guide these people. I think the upbringing becomes an important factor in all these things. If a parent is good enough, if he or she shows the child a phone or a cigarette in 12 in his early ages, like this is a cigarette, you take one puff right now, I understand this is not a good thing, so that after 4 or 5 years when his friends will offer him the same thing, he will not get addicted to things. This is the how the addictism chain is broken. Okay, this chain has to be broken by before, like for curbing some medicine, like some diseases occurring beforehand. If you want to curb some disease, we take a vaccine, right? Like some vaccine for prevention for tuberculosis or polio or some other vaccines, right? What are those vaccines? Those are some very weak viruses that we inject in ourselves, so that our body makes the antibodies beforehand. So this similar ways, this addictism can be broken if we show these contents to those peoples beforehand and say them, hey, this is very addictive, stay out of it,
We are
so that in the coming
breaking
futures,
point.
yeah, when you will be tempted,
We
you
learn
will
how
be in a
to
position. Yeah.
How to tackle it? We can guide our next generation. That is what you are saying, right?
And I'm saying that this generation of people,
I
like
want to
our
say-
parents, are not in that position to guide us, because in that place,
Yes,
in
yes.
that era, they never used to see that. But we will be in that position to guide our people, because we are much more
Our
intelligent
parents
and advanced people.
don't have much skills in. They also see what we are doing, so they have not much knowledge.
So-
but we have. We can guide our next
So,
generation.
so this
What's bad, what-
online issues, I think, will be pretty
Okay.
much lessened by in the coming 10 years, if not
Okay,
now.
I agree with you. Anybody wants to say?
Okay, I want to say one. I want to say one point, like important point. What Arnab said is very good, but sadly, the problem is it would happen in an ideal world. Why this won't happen? Like majority. The reason I'm saying, not because the problem is with the Facebook company. Problem is investors are very selfish. They're not part of the company. They only care about the money. And the
Yes,
problem is something good for the people. And what happens? The users decrease. And when the number of users decrease, the investors say, "Oh, your number of investors decrease, so I will not spend money on your company." So they go away. So what they do something, whatever they can desperately, let's say, to addict for engaging. This is a very problem with the economics part. Investors are pressurizing these companies. So it is one guy who want to do a startup. He said like he doesn't want to take money from the investors initially. Why? He said that this is the reason. Like when you take money from the investors, they always try to control you. You are like a puppet, and they force you. This is not only like Facebook's fault. This is a fault in the economy in the whole world. This is a very important point. So what Arnab said, it would happen in ideal world, but it couldn't happen much. I think to extent it will happen in the investors' mindset sense when because it's funny because the investors themselves are also human beings.
You didn't get me right. I did not want to say anything related with that. I just wanted to say that this is how the mindset is evolving. For example, I can say 20 years back, whatever movies used to be made, we used to see, right? What kind of actions were there? Nothing, no special effects, nothing was used to be there. Like we had a different taste of movies then. But
Yes.
the content that we are getting right now, if no one can bluff us, like you cannot show any huge heroism movie, people like some actor is coming broad and he's winning, like this typical story, right? Like we used to see. Villain was there, heroine was there, hero used to come and
Yes,
snatch
yes.
the villain.
True, like
take the
good quality
back and
content.
this-
Good quality
Right.
content.
Audience taste
And
changes
then-
with time. Like we are those people who will be taking the generation forward, and we as audience, we don't like this all activism that the social
we are
media is
just a
impacting.
software tester.
Right.
Correct. We are just a software tester. We are testing. Software can be bad, can have bugs. Correct. So we will lead
We will never like, for example, I will never allow my future, like my future generation, suppose my child, I will not allow him to, I will know these things. Acha, social networking has taken this kind of toll in my time. I will not let that happen with my children. So this kind of mindset will completely change the whole pattern that you're talking about. Investor
Okay,
trying to pressurize and all these things, right? So this is very much real thing that the audience pattern changes, and according to the audience pattern, the investors wants to invest the money where they will get the maximum profit. Now, if audience only has some different taste, the investor will definitely not force the startup peoples. You can actually, these things will be implemented, I think, in next 10 to 15 years. We can see much more on that when we will be in the backseat and our next generation will come in.
Okay. So now I think we should conclude. Let's conclude this debate with 3 questions each team.
Look, since combined with technology, social media has really gone to another level. Don't you think that in terms of education and smartness that social media is given to people, especially in the last decade, can we get a little, like, can we afford a little trade-off that what is happening right now? Smartness, trade-off with those insensitive contents. Don't you think it is viable?
Anyone from the opposition team?
I want to say like it is not little. The disadvantages are much more than the beneficial things, I think.
Okay. Let the judges, let the audience do the comment section work on this. Next question from the opposition team to for the motion team.
Okay, I have a question.
Okay.
Okay, so in social media, what about the fake popularity? The popularities of the people, those who are actually not as capable to get that popularity, means the influencers who has been popular by the brand promotion. So what about the fake popularity? And we are making them as our idol. So is it right, without knowing their actual background, we are making them as an idol? So what you'd like to say about the fake popularity?
Anybody? Shiny, Tanushri, Arit?
I just want to ask him that is he believing on that fake polarity? Like, is he making him the idol? I don't think so. He is,
But
because
most
he
of
knows
the,
that maybe this is not right.
but as you can see, TikTok influencers, they do slow motions, they do girlfriend boyfriend breakup, and they throw the water. These kind of things are getting
No,
promoted.
the thing is, actually, the thing is, we are making someone idle by just seeing the things that he wants to show us. If you want to make APJ Abdul Kalam as your idol, you will read the whole book where APJ Abdul Kalam biography is written. You will
Yes.
not read that part where the awards are given to him. Okay, but in influencers, we see those parts where they are having the happy moments, the moments that they want to show to us. Okay, so we don't, I think we should not choose any influencers in social media as an idol, and most of the youths are doing the same thing.
Okay, I guess you have given your own answer, because you said you should choose. So it's again coming to your own will to choose or not to choose.
Okay, that I will.
Yeah, I have also mentioned that thing also, that most of the youths are getting addicted to this thing only. So I think social media is the most important part which is giving an impact to the majority youth, or you can say the majority citizens.
No, I have a question I'll ask in the end.
Okay, I will take that. Okay, Mainak asked a very good question. Very good question. And Arit is silent. Why Arit? Okay, next question, Shiny, you can ask.
Okay, then the kind of the concluding question I just want to ask, that just because of the disadvantages, shall we stop the use of social media, or what is the most apt solution to it?
Yeah, I have already mentioned in this debate only few minutes back that we should have a separate room for separate purpose, and this is the best way to conclude that social media is for everyone. You are humans as social animals in a good way. So we are made for socially networking with each other. Though I know we are making social distance now, but we are made for social networking with each other. So there should be a separate room for every purpose. If you are having to date someone, go for a Tinder, and if you want to go for your professional purpose, come to LinkedIn. But don't come to a middle purpose of having Facebook. Okay. So this should be restricted and should be utilized properly.
Okay. I think in today's world, we are much more active in social media or social life. With that, we are decreasing the contact with our own family, and by influences of our social media heroes or social media creator, we are losing our own thought. Like, we are trying to be like them.
Yes,
We
yes.
are lost our own thought, like real me or real person. So don't you think this is the, like, a
Acting
big
our own
challenge for,
personality.
yeah.
Okay, anyone?
I would like to say that we are going through phases. Like, this is the phase where we are seeing the negative points of it, and then maybe later on we'll definitely see the positive sides of it again.
Solution.
Like,
Tanushri, do you want to speak something? You are nodding your head. Tanushri?
No.
Okay, okay. So what is the answer? Like right now we are in the bad phase. Is it that you said, Shiny?
We are right now in the transition phase, the better word.
transition, yeah, exactly.
Transition
Yeah,
phase.
transition is the best word.
Okay. You told that this is the transition state now, but in this transition state also we can see that the implementation of good things are not happening now. Like, okay, we are in transition state and we expect that after 10 years it will be good. Okay, but ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है कि जैसे कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट गुड थिंग की तरफ हम लोग टर्न ले रहे हैं, या फिर हम लोग बैड थिंग की तरफ ज्यादा जा रहे हैं. I think after 10 years, the scenario can be bad than
After
this
this
moment
phase,
now.
right? Yes. Exactly.
Look, I would like to answer that by one era. See, there was this whole concept of king and people, right? In our old generation, or ancient time actually. King used to rule peoples and then that how that system used to work. After that came those stages where invasion took place in our country and all these things happened. We can see little bit, like we can say them a little bit about the transition phase, like British ruled like all in our country, right, for many years, or some other people had invaded. You can say that's a transition phase because we did not have a superior king on top of us, right? And after that, we went for democracy after freedom, right? So in the transition phase, see few things. Transition will not be sweet for sure.
Very
Things
good.
will be
Transition
bitter.
will not be sweet.
It
Yes,
will be
correct.
there. I think a solution will be coming, remedy will be coming. Like I was saying, more servers, more parsing, more filtering of data. And I think these things will be done in next 5 to 10 years with
We
more
are
money,
progressing
more
a lot in
infrastructure.
technology. Yes, we can do a lot of in 10 years.
Technology will, I think, answer a lot of things.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So final questions from Marit. This will be a final question. Okay. Marit,
ওকে, তাহলে তোরা বল এডুকেশনের ক্ষেত্রে এখন যদি ইউটিউব না থাকে প্লাস অনলাইন ক্লাসেস বা অনলাইন অ্যাপ যদি না থাকতো তাহলে হাউ টু সার্ভাইভ, কি করে এডুকেশন আগে আগে যেত?
okay. How
ঠিক আছে। আর 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 আরেকটা আছে, যদি ফেসবুক হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ যদি না থাকে তো বা জিমেল বা আদার্স অন্য কোনো অ্যাপ যদি না থাকে তাহলে আদার্স কোন অ্যাপ বা কোন জিনিসটা আছে যেটা কানেক্টিং পিপল মানে মানুষের সঙ্গে ইন্টারঅ্যাক্ট করতে পারবে?
how to share ideas if there is no social media, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I have a solution for
What
this.
he said, in the first online education, those are MOOCs. So MOOCs are not considered under social network, and Gmail also not considered under social
So
network.
what about WhatsApp?
YouTube is considered. No.
about
YouTube is
WhatsApp?
considered under social network
Notes.
because comments are there,
Was-
likes are there. It's a social network completely based on videos.
I am talking
No,
about
no,
not
you-
YouTube, like the. I'm talking about MOOCs, like the other edX and like Coursera, all those things. I'm talking about. Those are not considered
Yeah. I am also not for that. I'm talking about YouTube, but like you mentioned
Yeah,
about YouTube,
is
that's
that
why I wanted.
at present,
That's a social media.
Yes, YouTube at present you can consider a social media. That's why before YouTube was much more cleaner, and if you remember when long time back YouTube was much more cleaner, and now if you look at the
ইউটিউবার ইউটিউবে কোনো হচ্ছে পেড করতে হয় না, ইউটিউব ফ্রি।
But the fact is, within few days, or you can say within a few years also, there will be some contents in YouTube that I will like to say most of the contents in YouTube that will be paid, because already there is a joint feature in few
Okay.
channels, and few tutorial contents will also come in YouTube that will be paid.
Look, Mainak,
Sir,
see,
there are
YouTube
also
was not
some-
a huge
hello?
market. YouTube was
Okay.
not at all a huge market 10 years back. In newspapers and in TVs, ads used to come because digital marketing was all in that places. It has shifted to YouTube right now, so they will definitely pay us this thing. Now in future, there can be some
Okay,
other apps, some light versions,
Hello.
Yeah,
which can be
just
free.
go on. Just go on. Yes.
There are also some educational platform. They are free, like free of cost. There are also some educational
They are
platform. Like,
also right, but the main
Yeah.
thing comes to YouTube. When a teacher is unavailable, when the classroom is not going on, we ultimately come to WhatsApp PDFs. It ultimately comes to YouTube tutorials. What about those? If if that would have not existed, how would we grow, man? That is
Yeah, if the
like,
I want to say about this
if the point is
If you-
having that educational purpose, if you are using WhatsApp for educational purpose for sharing notes, obviously we are using. But the fact is, one problem everyone is facing, that is, while sharing notes through WhatsApp, we are using it for chat purpose also. So sometimes it happen that we have lost our note in lots of chat. So the fact is, if we are using for tutorial purpose, then definitely we should use something different. If we want to use Google Classroom also for sharing notes, we can use Telegram also for sharing notes.
broadcast feature, Painak. In
Okay.
WhatsApp, there is a
Okay, I am
broadcast
saying
feature.
Yeah.
So how can you say that
Okay,
we
let me
chat
talk
and the
about,
thing goes up?
So Facebook,
Okay, I want to talk about YouTube. YouTube is a platform for education, but if you look at the 10 years back, YouTube was not a social media platform. That time the content was much more cleaner. You have to remember the point. And you can look at the proof itself when YouTube at present is now also a social media. And the content of education video is still there. But as it is now also a social media, that's why the cringe content and the viral content
Yes,
are
yes.
also bad part in YouTube. So you can see the proof itself. When social media was not in YouTube, YouTube was clean. When social media was integrated in YouTube, YouTube is much more dirty like other platforms.
I will talk about the social media. The last question is about the over consumption. Like
too much of social media, there is a lot of overconsumption. Like if you look at social media, like status on Instagram, do you really remember anything? Because we just for the moment we care about, not it doesn't create any impact in our life. We think like it creating any impact, but it actually doesn't create any impact. But the companies, the design makes like we are from it. When you look at the feed in the Instagram, you get that happy, like that tip is there, like certain rewarding thing in our. Can you hear?
Yeah, we can hear you. What is
Yeah.
your question?
Yeah.
What is your question?
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. What is your question, DJ? Your network tonic खराब अच्छा I think.
But then I guess I got the question. I mean, I'm pretty much clear about it. That he wants the solution for the control use of it. I guess that's what he means. I guess. So to that I can say that there are settings in our phone. Okay, there are some apps which you can use to control your limit your usage time. There you can set a limit that I want to use it till this much, and then I don't want any notification, and after that your net goes off or whatever it is, and the notification they stop coming in, and you can also track that you have been using your data for like 3 hours and 4 hours, and that way you can track it down.
Okay. So I have one question for both the teams. Okay. First I will ask the opposition team. Like as Mainak said that we can create different apps for different applications. One for chatting, one for information sharing. Correct, Mainak?
Yeah. Yes.
So my question is, if we continue this posture of dividing the apps based on our requirements, do you think in near future it will create a sort of discrimination, country-wise app? Do you think so?
Actually, the
Like suppose if I want to share something, I am limiting my app to India. That America is limiting their app for America. Do you think that will create a country bound?
No, actually, the discrimination is not about the country. The discrimination is all about the purpose of the work. So, what purpose of work I select?
No, as you can see in WhatsApp, after the in previous initial stage of WhatsApp, we were able to talk to anybody, share information to anybody, but later on came the concept of groups. Once the concept of groups came, we started limiting ourselves to our own party. We do not bother about others. So if we are starting to separate ourselves from other party only, then what do you think this will create discrimination from other countries? And it will be very wrong image, you know?
No, actually not like that. My point is something that if my work is to just for tutorial purpose, then why should I spend time in somewhere where I used to get distracted from some unknown sources which will affect my tutorial purpose? So my point is something like that. If my work is cooking, then I should not work in a balcony so that I will be distracted by people walking outside. So I will do my work in a particular place where it should be done.
Okay, fine. That I will take that answer. My final question for the motion teams. As Arnav said that we can just scroll down the ads and take the major look at the content, right? We can scroll down the ads, whatever. Just you said like that. Okay. My question to you is: suppose for a child or for anyone of young generation, the teenagers, the adolescents, kids, the YouTube based ads are none of the concern for age limits. They show anything adult stuff, and I'm pretty sure none of the child will scroll those kind of photographs or those kinds of things. So how can you take preventionary measures to avoid your children, not your mother, avoid the children of others to not look at this sort of ads?
Look, that this is an issue. Okay, firstly, I'll not say that this is being solved or this is some cool thing. This is an issue. Like I was saying, the mature people have the sensibility to scroll it down and get the work done, right? But the teenager people's like any some 18 plus web series is there or something is there, and they've given the ad streaming live now and all this, then they go there and do all the stuff, right? Like in teenager, these things will happen. Okay, just like some friend is offering you a cigarette at the age of 14 or 15 after school, and you have to take it. Like you have got attracted to it, right? So this is an issue. How can we solve is that the proper solution I don't think has come till now, because if it would have like agar ye aata to we would have not been in this crisis, right? So but I think in future, if you register the person who is below 18, if he wants to use all these kind of applications, the big applications like YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, if you try to register yourself with your real document in some center, then accordingly we can patch their account with their parents' mobile number, like we have in joint accounts, like in banks we have, right? If we make a transaction, the notification comes in all the to the parents also, it goes to the parents also, like your bacha has taken this much money from our bank, from the joint account. So you can create some sort of joint account up till age 15, 16. So I think this is more of an idea. It has not been implemented, and this is an issue.
Okay, I will take that as a good answer. I think it's time to conclude. So, okay, how to conclude this? Any idea?
It's done already.
No,
I think.
it's done. Yeah, that's what it is.
It's done.
And Arif still remains quiet. Okay, guys. Now you can leave one by one if you want. It's time for me to go and have lunch.
Yeah.
Bye everyone.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.